Hey guys, Matthias here from Molnify. I hope you're all doing good. So today I want to show you how you can set a URL and a name for your app. So this is a quick tutorial. When you have an app and you upload it to Molnify, I'm going to show you how you do that. You go to app.molnify.com and you click create app, and you see the field here. Here's where you can drop your files and upload as web app. So I take my file and I drop it here and I upload it. What happens now is I see my app, but it's named my application, and as you can see up here in the URL, this URL, I haven't really picked this myself. This is something Molnify comes up with if you don't set an ID for your app, if you don't add any metadata. So I'm going to show you now how you can set this part of the URL yourself, and also how you can name your application. So back to the Excel file here, I'm going to add some metadata, and I'm going to type ID, and then let's see, my ID is going to be ID and name, and then I'm also going to type name and my ID and name demo. Alright, so to turn these cells now into metadata, let's make this a bit wider. I will color them standard purple, and I usually do the text white so it's easier to read. So now I have a few elements in my app. I have my inputs, my outputs, a pie chart, a bar chart, and metadata. Okay, so saving the file, and then let's go back to Molnify, and as an owner to this app I can click the little cloud here to the right, and then you can see here it says drop file here or click to upload. So I'll head back to the Excel file and I'll just grab the file like this and drop it here, and now when it's uploaded you can see that now the URL ending here is ID and name, and also I have an ID and name here for my application. So now I can go ahead and play around with it. I can change stuff around, I can use my data validation list, and I can also send this to a friend and share my app with a friend or a colleague. What's good with this is that every time now if I make a change in my Excel file and upload again, let's say I just I add an input, one more input, and that's going to be 20, like that. Turn this into an input, and then I'll save the file and I'll click the little cloud again. Now when I upload this again, Molnify is going to update that same app rather than creating a new app, which it will do if you don't set an ID. And here you can see my new input as well. Alright, so that's a quick tutorial on how to add some metadata for ID and name. If you want to try to create your own application, head on over to app.molnify.com, register for a free trial account. It's free for 30 days, and upload your own Excel files. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.